Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Jessica. I'm from Linyi Bright Star Food Machine. We are a factory. Currently, we are serving many wholesalers and retailers. Our factory supports OEM and ODM service. If you do this business for a short time, you may be wondering, there are so many meat grinders in the market. Why price gap is so large? Today, I would like to compare for you. I would like to introduce from my left meat grinder. This one is our BEJ series meat grinder. This one is our BCJ series meat grinder. These two machines are positioning high-end market. Currently, we mainly selling to South, to USA, to Canada, to Japan, and so on, Europe and North America countries. If you want to compare this meat grinder, you can reference LEM brand. This one you can compare with Thurman brand. As far as I know, some sellers can promise 5 years warranty to their customers. 5 years warranty. Why? I will tell you today. First, let's introduce from the material. These two meat grinders all made of 304 stainless steel. It's up to food safety standards. The second, also the most important of meat grinder is motor. You can see this one. It's not only copper motor, it's used of dual capacity motor. The next is scale structure, all made of metal structure for long time use of the machine. And besides, I would like to the drumming screw. These two meat grind drumming screw is longer and larger than other factories. If you want to make high-end and high-quality product, these two meat grinder will be your best choice. Packing information and OEM service will introduce at the end. Next, I would like to show these two machines working with you to you.
那个监视你不用动，你就让他一个人动。
If you not only focus on quality, competitive price also important for you. I would like to introduce our TK series meat grinder. This meat grinder we have 3 models, number 12, number 22, and number 32. This TK series meat grinder is a global hot selling grinders. We have export to Europe, South American, and the Middle East, and so on. We sell about 5,000 pieces 1 year. Very hot selling. Okay, I would like to introduce from number 12. This meat grinder is also made of stainless steel. The power is 750 watt. Capacity about 120 kilograms. Next, I would like to introduce our own design, a special design of this meat grinder. Look at this head. This is our own design. How you see it in the market. With this design, the meat grinder grinding meat will smoothly and quickly. Usually, this machine equipped with 2 knives and 2 blades, one 6 millimeters, one 8 millimeters. If you want to other size, we also provide. Please let me know. Look, this is drawing screw, 304 stainless steel. Okay, next I will show how to install the head. Then push the driving screw. When you install the knife, place this is in the outside. And put the plate, the locking is okay. This machine net weight about 18 kilograms. The packing is one piece in one carton. It's packed in one carton. It's not only a meat grinder. If this machine is a sausage tubes, it also can making sausage. The third function is a burger machine. Look at this. It's our burger press. This is our BR249 model. It's made of food-grade ABS material. This burger press equipped with 5 nose, different size nose. The number 5 can fit to our sausage stuffer. Then is number 8, 12, 22, or 32. It can be attached to our meat grinders to make burger meat. Because this is number 12 meat grinder, so you need to choose the number 12 nose. Then put the burger meat. Okay, now it's becoming an electric burger machine.